Now I have shuffled it. Choose a center color. Let's take white. Flip it 180 degrees. You will find yellow. Keep it at the center and make a white cross around it. Match the pair of the white blocks with the same center, example green with green. Turn it 180 degrees. Do the same with all the white blocks. Blue with blue. Turn it 180 degrees. Red with red. Turn it 180 degrees. Orange with orange. Turn it 180 degrees. The white cross is completed. Now solve the corner blocks. For that, find white blocks in the third layer. Match its pair with the same center color. Red with red. Bring the matched color in front of you. It's on my left, so left inverted, up inverted, left. Do the same with all the white blocks. Match with the same center color. Right, up, right inverted. So that white corner is completed. Right, up to right inverted. Now continue the same process. Right, up, right inverted. So that white corner is also completed. Right, up, right inverted. Then continue the same process. Red with red. Right, up, right inverted. White color solved along with its pair colors. Now solve the second layer. For that, find a non-yellow color on the top and first layer. Match it with the center color. This is red, so we should match it with red. I have matched it red with red. Green is on the right of red. Up, right, up, right inverted. Then solve the white block. The edge block is solved. Do the same with all the colors. So this is red and I am matching it with red. So I have matched it. Up inverted, left inverted, up inverted, left. Solve the white block. This block is also solved. I have matched blue with blue. Orange is on the left of blue. Up inverted, left inverted, up inverted, left. Solve the white block. This block is also solved. So the green with green is already matched. So orange is on the right of green. Up, right inverted. Solve white. Second layer solved. You will find yet colors in any of these conditions. Our main aim is to make it a yellow cross. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. I've got a yellow dash. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Now I've got a yellow cross. If it forms like this, hold the cube in this way or continue the same algorithm till it forms like this. Right up, right inverted, up, right, up to right inverted. Hold it in this way and continue the algorithm. Here you can see that it looks like a fish. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up to right inverted. The fish formation will show itself again. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up to right inverted. Top layer done. Now solve the third layer. For that, right inverted, front, right inverted, back to right, front inverted, back to right 2. Match the corner blocks in the color which is possible. Hold it on the opposite direction of you. Right inverted, front, right inverted, back to right, front inverted, right inverted, back to right 2. Match the corner blocks. Hold the completely solved color to your right. Then left 2, up inverted, back, front inverted, left 2, back inverted, front, up inverted, left 2. The Rubik's Cube is solved.